How to create highlights on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create highlights on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in into your account, and after that you can head over to the menu option on the bottom right corner. Then tap on your username on the top, and now you're on your profile. Now, if you want to add your highlights, you will first need to access your archive. To do that, tap on the three dots right beside your edit profile. And after that, you'll see the archive option. Tap on archive and you should be on this page right here. On the top, you'll find story archive. Tap on story archive and now you'll see the list of your stories that you have posted previously. Now, simply select the story that you want to create or add to your highlight. And after you do that, on the bottom right, you'll see the feature option. Tap on it and then you can create a new highlight. Tap on create new highlight and then you can add a title if you want to. So I'll just name this test. And again, if you want to add a new cover, you can choose a new cover from here as well, but I will not be doing that. Simply tap on done on the top right after you're done editing the highlights. After you do that, you can then go back to your profile. And on your profile, you'll see your new highlight that has been added. And it's basically that simple, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.